A retired PBSO deputy on trial for murder told a jury today he was in fear for his life. Carlton Nebergall took the stand in his own defense nearly 2 years after he was charged with killing his son-in-law in Loxahatchee. WPTV News Channel 5's Ryan Hughes was in court today and is live outside the courthouse in West Palm Beach. Ryan.
And Jay, that retired deputy was on the stand for nearly 2 hours. First, he painted the picture of his son-in-law having a history of violence. Then he recounted the moment he shot his son-in-law, which he claims was in self-defense.
He started to make an aggressive move towards me, yelling, "You're going to shoot me! You're going to shoot me!"
Dramatic and emotional testimony as Carlton Nebergall Jr. takes the stand in his own defense, recounting that February night nearly 2 years ago outside his home in Loxahatchee. He says he heard screaming after his daughter's estranged husband, Jacob Lodge, stopped over to drop off clothes for their 2 boys and walked outside with a loaded revolver.
I raised the pistol into the air, pointed it off to the east, and I fired 1 round into the air.
Nebergall told the court Lodge got into his car, started driving away, but then stopped. The retired deputy telling the jury he thought his son-in-law had a gun when he shot him in the head.
I was in fear for my life that he was going to come and he was going to shoot me. And then after he got done killing me, he would probably go in the house and kill my daughter and my grandsons, ma'am.
But today, prosecutors also showed aerial video showing Nebergall walking away, laying on the ground under a neighbor's car, and then eventually turning himself in.
Realized what I had done and was ready to accept the consequences for my actions.
And Nebergall's daughter also testified last week, but against her father. Today, both the state and defense attorneys, they closed. Tomorrow, we will hear closing arguments. Rather, they rested their case today, and then tomorrow we will hear those closing arguments. The jury will then start deliberating. Live tonight in downtown West Palm Beach, Ryan Hughes, WPTV, News Channel 5.